Welcome to Aculab's How-To podcast series, where we will discuss a number of solutions to specific telecommunication problems, broken down into short, easy-to-digest episodes. From how to implement voice and video calls on your webpage to a breakdown of how voice biometrics authentication really works, we have the answers. How to reduce contact center verification time by 80%. Verification of identity has changed a lot over the years. As the world has shifted away from face-to-face interactions to phone and digital solutions, so has the way in which we identify and verify who we are. This has led to a problem. Securely verifying a person's identity takes time, and as we all know, time is money. According to Microsoft's 2019 survey on global customer service, 31% of customers cite having to repeat or provide their data multiple times as the most frustrating aspect of poor customer service. This is often due to problems with automatic speech recognition-based systems, which are notoriously bad at recognizing proper names. This means not only annoyance for end users, but also a need for call center agents' time in order to deal with the issues arising from this, such as error recovery and rectifying customer satisfaction. So how do we make sure that security isn't compromised for speed? As the use of high-level authentication is usually reserved for services such as financial companies, it is imperative that no corners can be cut in the hope of speeding up the process. In fact, with cybercrime spiking hugely throughout the pandemic, businesses need a solution that is more secure than traditional methods while accelerating the process and creating a streamlined end-user customer experience. So how do we better the customer experience? We all lead busy lives. The last thing your end user wants is spending time racking their brain to remember the make of their first car or what password is needed from their 100 plus accounts. Customers call contact centers wanting solutions. Voice biometrics allows contact centers to deliver these quickly and securely, removing barriers instead of creating them. So how do Aculab's voice biometrics work? Well, instead of requiring a password or a token-based solution, Aculab's voice biometrics engine, VoiSentry, uses a hybrid approach to analyze a voice sample as a means of highly accurate and secure authentication. This hybrid approach consists of 1. A general phonemic, phonological, and paralinguistic features, as well as a number of unpublished proprietary analysis methods designed specifically for speaker recognition, and 2. A combination of AI and further proprietary algorithms to combine the information from the various biometrics into a single result. This highly optimized combination of biometrics markers provides a much more accurate and reliable result than that of identification using just 1 or 2 markers. These markers are compiled using AI algorithms to form a customer's unique voice print. This process is actually very simple from an end user's perspective, with the user only having to repeat a short phrase 3 times. Unlike other similar products, VoiSentry allows each user to create their own unique passphrase. This enhances security even further, as any attacker would need to copy both the target voice and the spoken words to gain access. And once the voice print has been created, it is held securely within the VoiSentry engine. So, the next time a customer calls, it is as simple as comparing their voice on the call to their voice print to securely confirm their identity. Not convinced? Why not give Aculab's free demo a try and see if you can fool the system? We wager you won't. So how do you implement these services? As highlighted, traditional methods of identification and verification are costly, inefficient, and place barriers between customers and their queries. Voice biometrics truly is the future. In a world where personal data is becoming less and less secure, there is one option that is virtually impossible to fake, hack, or duplicate when combined with personal knowledge: our voice. To find out more, visit aculab.com/voice biometrics or get in touch to implement voice biometrics in your contact center solution.